Are you ready to make breastfeeding easy? Welcome to Breastfeeding Made Easy, the everyday handbook for moms. Today, I promise you simple solutions, real answers, and emotional support, so you can nourish your baby with confidence and comfort every day. If you're a new mom searching for breastfeeding tips, struggling with latching, or looking to increase milk supply, you're in the right place. This video is packed with practical advice, expert-approved breastfeeding positions, pumping breast milk hacks, and the best comfort tips, all from your trusted breastfeeding guide for moms. Let's start with one of the biggest challenges: how to breastfeed and how to latch your baby for pain-free feeds. A proper latch is key to successful breastfeeding and comfort. Remember, keep your baby's tummy to tummy with yours, lips flared out like a fish, and always bring your baby to the breast, not the other way around. Have you ever wondered why you feel pain during feeds? Comment below if you've struggled with latching, and let's help each other. Next up, how to increase milk supply and keep your baby satisfied. Feed on demand, switch breasts every session, and try boosting supply with skin-to-skin contact. For working moms and those who need milk for later, pumping breast milk is a lifesaver. Use an electric pump for efficiency, label and freeze your breast milk properly, and always follow safe breast milk storage guidelines. What's your biggest challenge with expressing or storing breast milk? Tell us below. Breastfeeding nutrition matters. Eat more healthy fats, whole grains, and lean proteins, and drink plenty of water. Good foods help you produce nourishing milk and keep your energy up. Don't forget, emotional support can make your breastfeeding journey easier. Lean on the breastfeeding support community, share your breastfeeding hacks, and reach out for advice for nursing mothers whenever you need it. Use pillows for extra support during breastfeeding positions. If you face challenges, reread your best breastfeeding handbook or connect with trusted moms. Small changes, like adjusting your position or taking breaks, can make a huge difference in breastfeeding comfort. Before we wrap up, which breastfeeding tip or issue has had the most impact on you? Drop a comment, share your story, and let's help every mom breastfeed with ease. If you want more tips, comfort, and confidence for your breastfeeding journey, use the link below to place your order on a detailed guide. Hit subscribe, and check out Breastfeeding Made Easy, the everyday handbook for moms, for all the expert solutions every mom needs, right when you need them. Your path to successful breastfeeding starts now. Take action to